Talofa lover, and welcome back to another Samoan word of the day. We have lots of different Samoan words for you today. So let's begin. We have tautua. Tautua means service. We have alofa. We used that the other day. Alofa means, tell me in the comments if you know what alofa means. We have whiangainga. Whiangainga is the relationship between a brother and a sister. We have fa'aloalo. Fa'aloalo means respect. Oh my goodness, almost forgot. Respect. Then we have ainga, which is family. We have ngafa, and then we have usita'i. Usita'i. Tell me in the comments if you know what usita'i means. No, seriously, tell me. I know it means something